Let's try a little more Norwood craziness to go over to these chargers. FSD now. We got a dog on the right. Oh, they'd probably like us to move up a little bit so they can get to across the road. Got sidewalks way far back over there. We did all right. Okay, we got left turn signal here. It's just a bend in the road. A little herky-jerky. Okay, right here on Williams, then we're going to go into a school zone. Okay, we're starting pretty far back here. This car behind us wondering what we're doing. No turn on red on school days. Today is a school day. So that's going to be a disengagement. Okay. Got a truck here. Whoa! That was not good. Should have waited for that truck to pass or kind of drive around behind it. Now we got 20-mile-per-hour sign here. I'm going to have to slow this down. We're going to call that intervention for the school zone. I know it doesn't handle school zones yet. It's got to, though, at some point. All right, left turn here. All right, give it its 25-mile-per-hour speed max back. Now we're stopping at this, okay, stop walking. I'm going to go ahead and intervene. Give it a little go juice. Tell it it's okay to go. Okay, now we're getting in the right lane. Nope, we're not getting the right lane. Yep, we're getting in the right lane. It's done that a couple times where it kind of goes, comes back, goes. Like it's uncertain if it wants to be in that lane. It's somewhat odd behavior. I do not see anything. And now we're slowing dramatically here. Not sure why it slowed so much back there. No turn on red at this intersection. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to. It really slowed there. It's really just call that another intervention. It needed to just keep moving. It kind of creates a hazard when you start to initiate a turn and for no reason you stop. So today it's going to go this route over to the chargers. Interesting to see that different days it takes different routes. Pretty hard braking at that stop sign. Let's see how it does on this right turn here. Sometimes it's a little herky-jerky. It's a kind of a sharp turn. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. It's not going to park for us. That's all right, I can do it.